Hey, what's up, you guys?
Today we're gonna do a slime video.
We're doing Halloween slime, and obviously this is her idea, but I've never made slime before, so why not today?
Let's get started.
She don't even teach; she's just doing it on her own.
Okay, so you're gonna put the two glues in.
I was having a bitch fit all day. I didn't want to do this video, but then I saw my girlfriend.
She's not your girlfriend.
So then we put the paint.
Yeah, you gotta do 2 drops.
2 drops.
And then if you want more color, you can put more color.
I want mine jet black, like my soul. Okay, what's the next step?
Now we're gonna add a little bit of shaving cream because she wants it stretchy. So.
Aren't you supposed to shake it?
I did shake it. Okay, so you're just gonna add like
that.
So you're gonna just mix it.
Okay, so we're gonna mix this. Yeah, I don't really like fluffy slime. Every time she makes it and I play with it, like I don't like it. So these are the ingredients she uses. Can you list the ingredients?
So what I use is glue, paint, shaving cream, and Gain. So Gain is
I have some up here. I had it ready.
Gain is.
It's like to wash clothes.
So we got the cheap price of Tide because Tide is real expensive.
You don't even know how much stuff costs.
Yes, we just went to Walmart right now. Jen, you're gonna make it soapy. I'm telling you. Oh, mine's getting together.
You barely dipped it in. Look. Cool, it does do that.
Let's clump it all together when I make my cup.
Ooh.
So you're
I'm trying to tilt my bowl, guys. Hope you can see it. And I know a lot of the viewers are like 20 years old and older, so y'all are probably like, what the fuck's this shit? Boring ass shit, but...
Smoking a cigarette with your wine.
Should I add more soap?
Oh, look at mine!
Show off. And I added some spiders. Is that dumb?
No.
Do people do that?
You can use any paint, but this one like comes off easy, so I recommend this one.
You didn't even open mine for me.
So you're going to drop a lot.
You used a lot?
I'm just swirling it, bro. Okay, that's all I need.
Once again, guys, I fucked up my slime. Mabel, you scared me. Okay, guys, this one's Nancy's. And this one's mine over here. We have a purple light outside, so we're going to take you outside. Mine's is better than yours.
No, it's not.
What the? It looks like garbage. I thought this was going to look cool. So, guys,
mine looks prettier.
Nancy's looks prettier. Okay, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Thumbs it up, like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff.
And leave good comments.
Leave good comments, ideas, you know, we appreciate all the support. I want to give a little shout out to my homegirl. Her Instagram is right over here. She's always, it's not you, Nancy. She's always supporting and giving great ideas, and she's a really good friend. So, thanks for being awesome.
F homework. I'm a YouTuber now.
Oh yeah, F homework. Homework's for losers.